Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber here in Dallas, Texas. This is my project for today, a little Porsche, right? These things are sweet. Actually, my client owns many of these things and I'm always grateful to work on them. But what I want to do, this is a very simple video, but I think it's really important because I get a lot of phone calls. Scott, how do I use a paint prep? What a paint prep is a body solvent that allows us to remove any residue that might be on the surface of the paint. I'm actually going to be polishing this. I know that kind of seems odd, but when I put the light on it, there are some swirls that we want to go after. It's a beautiful car, but it just needs a little extra pop. I want to talk about what I see in my industry when it comes to paint preps. Stuff like, and I'm not teasing anybody here, I'm not calling anybody out. Carpo Eraser, there's all sorts of products out there that are paint preps, and the way I see my industry telling you guys how to use them is to spray them on the panel, go right in and start buffing away and drying off the surface. That's not really the best way to use a body solvent or a paint prep. There is a dwell time and there is a way to apply it properly so that you pull off. This particular case here, I washed the vehicle, but I want to remove, there is some form of protection on this car. It happens to be a paste wax, so I want to get it off. So what I'm going to do, watch me use this paint prep. When you use this paint prep, I'm going to spray it onto this panel here, right? I'm actually using Dupli Color Grease and Wax Remover, right? It's sitting on the surface of this tail. I'm going to let it dwell there for about 30 seconds or so. Let it begin to kind of eat away at the protection that's on that paint. I'm going to have two towels. This is my wet towel. What I'm going to do is lightly, I'm not trying to buff off the Dupli Color Grease and Wax Remover. I just want to level the product out on this tail. And then I'm just going to let it sit there. It will begin to flash on its own. Folks, if you go in there and grab a dry towel or flip that towel over and start buffing away, you have not given yourself time. You can start to see it's beginning to flash, right? During this flashing process, it's actually eating away at the protection on the paint. And when it gets to about this level, it's almost completely flashed. Body solvents will do this on their own if you know how to use them properly. They won't fight you. They won't get, guys tell me they go to use it and they get all tacky and it's not slick. It's hard to remove. Now what I'm going to do is just take a dry towel and lightly go over this tail, like this. Folks, I can actually feel by putting the paint prep on that surface properly that this paint, I have pulled off all the protection. This paint is very tacky now. It's no longer slick. Very simple, but it's not discussed. It's such an easy process, but in my industry, it seems like there's always a rush to get to the next step. Spray it, let it dwell a little bit. Obviously, I'm working inside, so that's to my advantage. We want this stuff to dwell a little bit on the paint. Massage it into the paint, but don't try to pull it off. Let it just eat away at the protection on the paint. Let it begin to flash on its own. When it starts to really start flashing, grab a second dry towel and just lightly buff. If you're going in and spraying, wiping in and trying to buff off like you're putting a spray wax on a vehicle, you're not giving it enough time to pull the protection off the paint. Folks, I see it all the time. Guys have to go around the car 4 or 5 times before they think they've gotten everything off. Use the body solvents right. Use the paint preps right. They are your best friend. Talk to you guys later. Love you.